Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So I'm gonna be playing this chicken game. Yep. I already played. Oh wait, no, that was on my iPad, not on here. Shit. Did it just lag? Was that an ad? No! No. Oh, I'm gonna do something real quick. Okay, guys, I had to get off of the game because something really just glitched out, and then it's sending me to weird things. So now we're back. No. Back to you. When I hit 1,000, I'm gonna end this video. Oh no. I don't want to end it right here because I already got 1,000. When I probably get 4,000. Yep, that's a good thing. 4,000, and I'm gonna end this video. Okay. So. Okay. What are you doing in this game? Flip my phone. I'm gonna buy it. Oh, what? All those eggs for that much money? Woo! Oh, okay. I already got just $1 more. Just one more, and I get.
It's so warm.
Sub. Okay, we need like one more. 8. How long is this video? 2 minutes. Video's gonna be 2 minutes, right? 6,000. 6,000. 6,000. I just need 2 more. Oh, wait. Nah, I'm gonna make it until I get another one. Before 1,000. I don't know what's before. I don't even know. Okay. Wait, I need to do something. Okay, guys, I'm back. 20. Okay, we're definitely gonna end off this video. I just left this grinding, and it was at 20. Okay, see you.